Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi S5 Coup Black Edition TDI 341 PS tiptronic. It comes finished in the stunning Mythos black, sure to turn heads when on the road. And at the time of this recording, the vehicle has done 6,597 miles. Rolling on 20-inch alloy wheels with a 5 twin spoke design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the fine Nappa leather, with the centre armrest for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the flat bottom 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control. Sink into the front seats with the running theme of the fine Nappa leather with the iconic S embossed logo, and electric seating adjustments and a 4-way lumbar for added support and comfort. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the satellite navigation map, so no need to take your eyes off the road. Connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with friends and family, and a wide variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. If you like listening to your playlists, then you'll love the Bang & Olufsen sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Parking aid for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations to sing along to. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. And the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the 3-zone electric climate control, so both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, and the heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay powered up on the go with the 12-volt and USB charging point, 2 handy cup holders for those longer journeys, a hidden compartment for those pesky phone wires, finished off with the all-important automatic gearbox with the electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile. Call today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.